we're back, and we're sorry we've been a little MIA the past couple of weeks. We decided to take some time off for the holidays.
We hope you guys had a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, but we're back.
As you can see, we're not in the shop today, and that's because we've missed the cars. We've been without the cars for honestly like a month now, which is pretty sad.
Yeah.
But it's okay because we're gonna spend some quality time with the Gallardo today.
Yeah, we're actually gonna start modding it. A lot of you guys called us out on our last video and they're like, snow tires is not a modification. It's like a gray area. It kinda is, kinda isn't, and I get it. But today we're actually gonna be modding the Gallardo. We're adding a Superleggera carbon fiber wing.
We have been waiting for this moment all month, and I am so excited. So we're gonna hop in the Gallardo, take it back to the shop, and get started. So here's a really dusty cold start on our 2006 Lamborghini Gallardo. Woohoo! It started! Woo! It feels good to be back.
Feels so good.
And I've been thinking the past 2 minutes. We have not taken advantage of these snow tires we plopped on.
That's correct.
Should we go do some donuts?
Absolutely.
It's actually really sad that we bought this car over I think 2 months ago, and we've driven it 3 times maybe?
Yeah, we've put like 100 miles on it.
100 miles on it. That's so sad. All right, we found a patch of snow, you guys. All right, let's do one test run. So you can get the feel. Oh, mama. There we go.
How'd it look?
It looked pretty decent.
Pretty decent?
Oh, yeah.
I'll take it.
All right, one more. Oh, those are good ones. That's all we're doing, guys. I think that's pretty good.
You guys, I'm so glad we put the snow tires on the Gallardo. The original summer tires that came with it when we bought it were so terrible, I doubt we'd even be able to get out here into the snow like at all. We'd be stuck over there. What are you doing?
The donuts made me hungry.
Where'd you get that?
You want some?
Yes.
I even brought you your own box.
Oh my gosh. Heck yeah.
So you guys know how expensive car parts and owning all these cars are. So that's why we really want to thank today's sponsor, Magic Spoon.
So you brought me a box. Did you bring me a bowl and spoon?
Oh, absolutely.
Yes.
So I want you guys to know 2 facts about me. 1, I love cereal, and 2, I really like being healthy. So as a kid, and actually still as an adult, I go through 3 to 4 bowls of cereal per day. So you can imagine how excited I was to find Magic Spoon because it has 0 sugars, 11 grams of protein, and 3 net carbs per serving.
So unfortunately, one thing it does not come with is milk. You gotta provide your own milk, but it is keto friendly, gluten free, and boy, does it taste amazing. Man, it's like too good to be true. It's healthy, and it's just so good.
So there's actually 4 flavors. They have cocoa, frosted, fruity, and blueberry, which can't go wrong with either. Head over to magicspoon.com/summit and grab yourself a variety pack. And when you're checking out, use our code SUMMIT for free shipping. Are you on your second bowl?
Yeah, I refilled it actually. And remember, it's magicspoon.com/summit and use the discount code SUMMIT for free shipping.
All right, breakfast is over, buddy. We gotta go get to work.
I'm done. Okay, we got a lot of work to do.
Okay, let's go. Man, it looks like somebody had some fun.
That's correct, I did. So like I said at the beginning of the video, today is the first proper mod to our Lamborghini Gallardo, and it has to do with this little wing here. So the stock wing on the Gallardos has the 3rd brake light, the camera, but for some reason this one's a little janky. And I think it was because whoever wrapped it last maybe didn't put it back right. I don't know. I do know that these are very complex, but it's okay because we're gonna be removing this entire system right here and installing a carbon fiber wing.
Oh, baby.
And that wing is made by RSC Tuning, and it is a Superleggera carbon fiber replica wing, and it's right over there. It's right here in this box. And to prove that it's carbon fiber, look how light it is.
Yeah, it's pretty dang light.
Ooh, there's a wing in here somewhere, and I'm pretty sure Faith wants to open it.
I want to open it. So guys, I reached out to RSC Tuning because James, the Stradman, has actually worked with them in the past and he highly recommended them. And I honestly gotta say, I highly recommend them too. Couldn't have had a better experience. So thank you, RSC Tuning. William, you the man.
Careful, careful, it's fragile. Careful, do not stack, Faith.
This tape is confusing me. Hold on. You know, I'm gonna go from this side.
Oh, all right, she's giving up on that end and going off this end.
There's a lot of components in this because it does come with a lot of gaskets and camera stuff.
Don't drop anything.
I think that's it.
Careful, careful. Okay, first part.
First part is the mounting cups.
Oh.
So let's just go ahead and see what those are all about. Oh, these things, yes, yes. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Oh, jeez. Dang.
Getting excited. Gaskets.
Oh, gaskets, on to the next part.
Ah, gaskets.
Nice. What's next?
Camera cover.
Camera cover. Oh, I know what this is.
Anyone else getting Christmas vibes? I wonder what it is.
Open it, open it, open it, open it! So you can run no camera or yes camera?
Yes camera.
Yes camera. So this plate right here is actually for running this wing with a Gallardo that does not have a backup camera. Some 04 and 05s came optioned with a backup camera, some did not. So if you have an 04 or 05 Gallardo and you don't have a backup camera, they got you covered.
I wonder what it is.
What could it be? What could it be? Open it. Hurry, Faith, open it.
Oh, I'm sorry, everyone.
Oh, dude, that looks so good. Wow. Why are you holding it so far away?
Because I'm excited, I'm looking at it. And trust me, I really wish that we could just plop it on, easy peasy, but that is not the case.
Yeah,
Right,
we're gonna have to figure out how to remove that. I don't remember. The last time I took a Gallardo wing off was in the underground garage.
2016.
4.5 years ago.
Hey Sal, I see you checking out that wing. You like that? Yeah, you got good taste. All right, making progress.
Yeah, this is not the most thought out design. You have to take all these like little pins. Look at this little clip. Look at the little itty bitty clip you gotta take off.
Dangerous.
Yeah, you gotta take like 6 of those off.
Okay, well that was actually really quick.
It's not it, not everything, but we're almost there. So as you can see, this is the third brake light wire. The camera wire goes through this leg and down. Ooh. The only way to disconnect it is getting the camera out of the wing, because the connection is right behind the camera. It's not right here.
Fun.
It's like such a small, simple little wing, and yet it's so complicated.
Well,
we're getting it.
I feel like that's the whole car. This whole car is pretty complicated to take apart. The more we take apart this car, the more you can see the wrap.
It was okay.
I gotta say, it's an okay wrap. So I'm really excited to wrap it. Oh, hey there, little guy.
That was so much better than 8 hours.
I wanna feel how light it is. Oh wow, that's heavier.
That's like 5 times heavier
than that.
Yeah.
Wow. There you go. There you go, little guy.
There's that super low res, like 144 res backup camera.
I'm gonna put you in a new home. Yeah, right there. Much better. Now that you said something, I feel like we definitely should have upgraded the camera.
Yeah, well, in the future, there is an awesome radio upgrade that has a much higher resolution screen, and I think at that point, we'll do the camera as well.
Out with the old, in with the new. What do you think about them apples, huh, Sal? Oh.
All right, we are ready to install the new one.
Ooh, be careful, be careful. We don't want to scratch it.
No, we don't.
Faith wouldn't be too happy.
Neither would I.
Camera is locked and loaded. What's up next?
We got these. These feel so good. They're so solid.
Oh wow, they are.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the way it works is these cups sandwich the wing on, like that.
Ah. So we got the gaskets on. I mean, basically the whole wing's on. We just have to, and by we, I mean Clayton has to wire it, right?
Yep, just gotta wire it.
That was really easy.
Yeah, it was not as hard as I remember.
Don't get me wrong. I think the Gallardos look great stock, but I am quite a wing girl myself, so.
A wing girl?
Yes.
Is that like a wingman? But
no.
Just for cars?
Whenever I'd play Need for Speed 2 Underground, whatever it's called, I would always customize my car to have the biggest wing.
Me too, in real life.
Good underglow.
Oh, me too, in real life.
What? None of our cars have underglow.
In the future they will. Okay, I think before I finalize everything, I think we should test it out.
Good idea. Yay! It works perfectly.
Okay, I'm gonna test the camera, so I gotta turn it on. Moment of truth right here, reverse. Oh, there it is, it works. Hi, babe, hi.
Did you see me?
I did see you. Would you look at us, though? We did a wing.
There you go again, giving me credit.
We did a wing.
Clayton did a wing. Guys, the moment of truth.
Pardon the hard slam.
Oh, that is one sturdy guy. Okay.
It looks pretty sweet.
It looks pretty sweet. It looks awesome. I can't wait to see this thing driving.
I can't wait to snowboard behind it like this.
See how it looks from the front. Oh, this is my favorite view right here.
Of me?
You and the car. That wing back there, yeah, this is definitely my favorite view.
Yeah, look at it right here.
Well, for me, I actually can't really see the wing, so.
Here.
There it is. All right, what's the next move, Clayton?
I think this wing will greatly increase our donut skills. And we need to go put that to the test. Also, Faith has never done donuts in the snow in a Lamborghini, so.
I've never really done donuts ever, so this could be a good or a bad idea.
Didn't you do them in the truck?
I did not do them in the truck.
Oh, it was me, huh?
Yeah, it was always you, every time.
Well, it's really easy. You turn the wheel, and then you press the gas pedal.
Got it.
Ooh, are you excited?
Very excited.
All right, moving the chair up. Okay. There's Faith in her happy place.
Yep. I think the car's faster now.
Oh yeah. We have more downforce, so that means more grip for donuts. First thing first, turn off ESP. ESP is off. Also, our check engine light is off. Way to go, Faith.
Hopefully it's
off to a great start. Oh, Faithy, go. Nice. Nice.
These are so lame, I can already tell.
All right, let me get out and see what they look like.
Did those look cool?
They did look cool.
Cool.
Way to go.
How's the wing look?
Oh, the wing looks so dang good.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Yeah. All right, do you want to do a couple more or you want to head out?
We're good. I think I'm good.
Check out these snow tires. Ah, they're doing their job. Nice. All right, let's roll.
Well, with each and every day that we play with this car, I'm falling more and more in love with it.
And that's a really good thing. Well, you guys, the sun is setting so quickly, so we figured before we left our donut lot, which is now Faith's donut lot, we wanted to end the video here. We want to give a huge shout out to today's video sponsor, Magic Spoon. Definitely check them out in the description below. Don't forget to use our discount code SUMMIT for free shipping, and a huge shout out to RSC Tuning for making a killer carbon fiber Superleggera wing for the Gallardo.
Thank you guys so much for being patient with us. We promise more uploads are coming. We will see you in the next video.
Peace.